Joy Guru everyone and welcome to this online Matri Sammelan. Today is the second day of the International Utsav where people from different parts of the world have gathered virtually to celebrate 133rd birth anniversary of Sri Sri Thakur Anukul Chandra. We will start with the prayer followed by a 2 minutes meditation. The prayer will be led by Rumi Ma from Oman.
जय जय राधा स्वामी नाम जुगावे सोई करे कल कलेश सब नाश सुख पावे सब दुख हरे ऐसा नाम अपार कोई भेद न जाने जो जाने सो पार बहुर न जग में जन्म राधा स्वामी गाय कर जन्म सफल कर ले ऐहि नाम निज नाम है मन अपने धर ले बैठक स्वामी अद्भुति राधा निरख निहार और न कोई रख सके शोभा अगमय पार गुप्त रूप जह धारिया राधा स्वामी नाम हे नाम हर नहीं पावे जहाँ कोई विश्राम करो बंद विराट स्वामी आगे जिन पर ताप जीव बह जागे बारंबार कर प्रणाम सद्गुरु पद्माधम सतनाम आदि अनादि जुगदि अनाम संत स्वरूप छोड़ निज धाम आए बाजा नाम लगाए हमसे जीवन लिया चढ़ाए शब्द धीराया सुरत बताए कर्म भरम से लिया बचाए कोटि कोटि कर वंदना अरब करब दंडवत राधा स्वामी मिल गए भोला भक्ति कसौर भक्ति सुनाए सबसे न्यारी वेद कति बनता ही विचारे सतगुरु शास्त्र पद भाषा संतन का वह सदा विलासा सोहर दर्शन गुरु पूरे दीन बजे जहाँ चर चतुरे आगे अलग पुरुष दरबारा देखा जाए सुरत से सारा इस पर अगम लोक एक नारा संत सुरत कोई भरत बिहारा तह से डर से अटल अटारी अद्भुत राधा स्वामी महल सवारी सूरत कोई हारने प्रभु राखो मेरे राजा तुम तारे अब मैं भरा राधा स्वामी गुरु समरथा तुम बिना वारण दूसरा अब करो दया भरत कसा तुम तारे विलम्ब क्यों दया करो मेरे साया देव प्रेम की दात दुख सुख कुछ व्यापे नहीं छूटे सब उत्पात दया करो मेरे साया देव प्रेम की दात दुख सुख कुछ व्यापे नहीं छूटे सब उत्पात बार बार कर जोर कर सविनय करो पुकार साध संग महि देव नित परम गुरु दाता साध संग महि देव नित परम पिता दाता गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वर गुरुदेव परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः अज्ञानातिमराधस्य ज्ञानञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुष्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः स्थावरं ज्ञानप्रयुक्तं ज्ञानकृष्णं चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः चित्रकेन विवृतं त्र्यम्बकं सचराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः नागुरादिकं तत्त्वं नागुरादिकं तपः तत्त्वज्ञानं परं नास्ति तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः मन्नाथ श्री जगन्नाथ मद्गुरु श्री जगद्गुरु मदात्मा सबुदात्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः गुरुरादिनादीश गुरुपरदेवतम गुरुपरतरं नास्ति तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः ब्रह्मानन्दपरमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं दण्डातीतं गगनसदृशं तस्मै श्रीलक्ष्मम् एकमृतं विमलाचलं सर्वादिशक्तिभूतं भवातीतं त्रिगुणातीतं सद्गुरुतां नमामि सद्गुरुतां नमामि सद्गुरुतां नमामि।
I would now request Sulagna Ma to read from Satyanusaran, The Pursuit of Truth. This is the holy handwritten book by Sri Sri Thakur Anukul Chandra.
Jai Guru to everyone. I am hereby reading a part of the English translated version of the holy book Satyanusaran, written by Sri Sri Thakur Anukul Chandra. O you who would devotees be, with hope for name and riches, don't make me your lord or master. Beware, if mastery within awakens not, master, center, none you have, and deceiving you shall be deceived. After taking the shelter of a true master, think independently and express your opinions respectfully. Reading books don't become like a book, but try to breathe its essence in your bones. Pull the husk to draw the seed. Don't pass any opinion on or give up anything after only superficial study. No real knowledge is gained about a thing until it has been seen thoroughly. And what opinion can you give if you have no knowledge about it? Whatever you do, try to see the truth in it. To see the truth in a thing means to know how it exists. And that is wisdom. About the things you do not know, give no advice to others. Jai Guru. Peace, peace, peace.
The next reading is from Narirniti, the Women's Code by Lakshmi Ma from US.
Nariniti English translation. Code of conduct does not compel. Beneficial rules or regulations do not want to force anyone to follow them. But if one who wants good follows them, then good will delight him or her, no doubt. Verses 142.
Now, Muktama will read from the Message volume.
I would like to read few lines from the book The Message Volume 8. Keep your kitchen and cook hygienic. Keep your kitchen and cook hygienic and ever propitious to you, your family and environment. As far as you can, pick up peaceful grace for your hearty soul and others too. Thanks to everyone. Jai Guru.
And now, Momita Ma, Shyamli Ma, Sarita Ma, Isha Ma, Swarnali Ma from Singapore will read Pujanyo Sadhana's prayer. It's a pious composition written by Sri Sri Thakur's daughter.
जय गुरु। पूजनीय साधना की रचित प्रार्थना। मेरे इष्ट, मेरे आदर्श, आज से मेरा जीवन तुम्हारा है। तुम्हारी वृद्धि मेरी वृद्धि को स्पर्श करे। तुम्हारी प्रतिष्ठा करना ही मेरे जीवन का सर्वप्रथम व्रत हो। नारी नीति में तुमने कहा है, तुम कल्याणी रूप में, सती रूप में, नारी रूप में हो। मुझे अपने वैशिष्ट्य में वर्धनशील देखना चाहती हो। शपथ खाती हूँ, मेरे जीवन प्रति मुहूर्त में मैं तुम्हारी उस इच्छा को पूर्ण करने की चेष्टा करूंगी। तुम उच्छल हो उठो, पुलक में, जीवन में, यश में और महान संवेग में। मैं नारी हूँ, अमृत की अधिकारिणी हूँ। आशीर्वाद करो जिससे इस अशेष अमृत द्वारा निपीड़ित, व्यथित, कर्निश, आदर्श अनुप्राण नर को मैं अपूर्व प्राणन स्नान से स्नान करा के तुम्हारी ओर उसे और भी आगे बढ़ा सकूं। तुमने मुझे प्रेम की अधिकारिणी बनाया है। मैं अपने समस्त प्रेम को निषेध करके तुमको तेजो जीवनमय देखना चाहती हूँ। तुम इस शुभ क्षण में आशीर्वाद करो, जिससे मैं इसी तरह से मेरे चलन तुम्हें तुम्हारी इच्छा को मूर्त कर तुम्हारे महान ज्ञान को आबाद कर उठा सकूं। मेरी अस्थि वृद्धि के परम उद्धाता, मेरे प्रिय परम, जन्म जन्मांतर के बहुत तपस्या के फल स्वरूप तुमको हमने पाया है। हम इस जीवन में सार्थक हुआ है हमारा जन्म, धन्य हुई हूँ, कृतार्थ हुई हूँ। तुम्हारा चरण स्पर्श कर युग युग से तपस्या करके भी मूर्त नहीं कर सका है। कितने पुण्य फल से उस तुमको मूर्त किया है। अरुण भगवान को किया है मानुष भगवान। दयाल, कितना भाग्य है हमारा। प्रियतम, आज इस शुभ क्षण में तुम्हारे चरणों में सिर्फ यही हमारी प्रार्थना है। तुम दीर्घायु हो, स्वस्थ रहो, सुखी बनो, तुम्हारी इच्छा ही पूर्ण हो और हमें दो वैसी प्रेरणा जो हमें सक्षम बनाएगी बचने बढ़ने का अपूर्व सौरभ प्रचारित होकर परिवार से हमें अपनी जीवन वृद्धि के अनुकूल बना दे। हे दर्दी बंधु, मेरे सर्वस्व, तुम ही मेरे जीवन हो। मैं जानती हूँ तुम्हारे जैसे बंधु, तुम्हारे जैसे प्रिय मेरा और कोई नहीं है। तुम्हारे हर कर्म में, हर भंगिमा में मेरा यह विश्वास दृढ़तर हो। आशीर्वाद करो दयाल, मैं जिससे क्षण भर नहीं भूलूं। तुम मेरे श्रेष्ठ हो, तुम मेरे अनुकूल हो, तुम मेरे श्रेष्ठ हो। दासी की प्रार्थना है तुम्हारा जीवन चिरवर्धन में वर्धित हो उठे। तुम्हारी वृद्धि मेरी वृद्धि को स्पर्श करे। मेरा नारीत्व धन्य हो, सार्थक हो। तुम्हारी नारी नीति के प्रतिपालन में हे प्रिय राजा सम्राट, तुम रहो, तुम बचो। हमारे जीवन चलन में प्रति पदक्षेप में ध्यानित हो उठे। स्वस्ति स्वस्ति स्वस्ति। जय गुरु।
And now we will listen to the Panchali song recited by Nipama, Abhirama, Swamima, Ripama from Australia.
পাঁচালী গীত। তোরা শুন রে ভাই, তোরা শুন রে ভাই, বলে যাই বাঁচা বাড়ার পথ। যে পথে চলেছে ঠাকুর অনুকূলের রাত। শুনো পুণ্য কথা, শুনো পুণ্য কথা, তার বারতা কহি বিবরণ। যে কথা শুনিলে হয় পাপ বিমোচন।
এলো সোনার মানুষ, এলো সোনার মানুষ, মহাপুরুষ অনুকূল রায়। পাপি তাপি উদ্ধারিতে সোনার বাংলায়। গ্রাম হিমায়তপুর, গ্রাম হিমায়তপুর, পদ্মা তীরে জেলা পাবনায়। শিবচন্দ্র চক্রবর্তী অতি সদাশয়।
মাতা মনমোহিনী, মাতা মনমোহিনী, তার গৃহিণী অতি পুণ্যবতী। যার গৃহে জন্ম নিলেন ত্রিলোকের পতি। করে গৃহে আলো, করে গৃহে আলো, প্রেমময় ঠাকুর অনুকূল। যার লক্ষ লক্ষ শিষ্য পূজে চরণ রাতুল।
তার রূপ দেখে, তার রূপ দেখে, ভাব দেখে কহনে না যায়। ভুবন মোহন রূপে সবারে ভুলায়। শোনো তার মহিমা, শোনো তার মহিমা, মাধুরীমা নাহি পারাবার। নবরূপে এলো সে যে দেব অবতার।
শোনো ধর্মের কথা, শোনো ধর্মের কথা, তার বারতায় অতি চমৎকার। বাঁচা বাড়াই আসল নীতি, ধর্ম করো সার। করো খাদ্য বিচার, করো খাদ্য বিচার, সদাচার ঋষি বাক্য পালো, প্রতিবেশীর সেবা করে ইষ্ট পথে চলো।
এই তো আর্যনীতি, এই তো আর্যনীতি, ধর্মনীতি, হিংসা দেশ ছাড়ো, হিন্দু বৌদ্ধ মুসলমান যে যার পথে চলো। পালো বর্ণাশ্রম, পালো বর্ণাশ্রম, করো প্রেম ইষ্ট কর্ম, যোজন যাজন ইষ্টভীতি যথাবিধি পালো।
পালো সস্তয়নী, পালো সস্তয়নী, মহান বাণী পালন করো ভাই, ত্রিজগতের নামের সম ঔষধ আর নাই। এ তো বাঁচার পথ, এ তো বাঁচার পথ, ভিন্ন মত অন্য কিছু নাই, বিধি মতো অনুলোমে বিয়ে করো ভাই।
গড় আর্য সমাজ, গড় আর্য সমাজ, বাড়াও ধাজ আর্য কৃষ্টি রাখো, বুদ্ধ ঈশায় রসুল কৃষ্ণের সমান চোখে দেখো, তারাই পূর্বতন, তারাই পূর্বতন, বর্তমান ঠাকুর অনুকূল, তার বিধি মেনে চলো, কাটাও মনের ভুল।
পাবে মহাশান্তি, পাবে মহাশান্তি, যাবে ভ্রান্তি, পাবে সত্য যুগ, কালো বাজার ভ্রষ্টাচার যাবে মহারোগ। ভাইরে ভয় নাই, ভাইরে ভয় নাই, টানো ভাই অনুকূলের রথ, ধর্ম নষ্ট নাহি হবে, পাবে বাঁচার পথ।
এই সৎসঙ্গে, এই সৎসঙ্গে মহারঙ্গে করহ বিহার, অধম সন্তান ভজে পদ যুগল তার। জয় পুরুষোত্তম, জয় পুরুষোত্তম, রসুল নাম বুদ্ধ যিশু নাম, শ্রী চৈতন্য শ্রী অনুকূল কৃষ্ণ ঘনশ্যাম। বন্দে পুরুষোত্তম, বন্দে পুরুষোত্তম, বন্দে পুরুষোত্তম।
The first bhajan is being offered by Bobby Ma, Pooja Ma, Lopa Ma from Canada. This bhajan celebrates the joyful arrival of Sri Sri Bora Ma in our homes.
জয় গুরু সবাইকে।
জয় গুরু।
লক্ষ্মী এলেন মোদের ঘরে, তাকে বরণ করে নিবি রে আয়। আইরে ছুটে আইরে তোরা, আইরে ছুটে আইরে আয়, আইরে ছুটে আইরে তোরা, আইরে ছুটে আইরে আয়। লক্ষ্মী এলেন মোদের ঘরে।
মেঘে মাদল হয়ে তোলে রোয়, তার আগমনের বার্তা ছড়ায়। মেঘে মাদল হয়ে তোলে রোয়, আগমনের বার্তা ছড়ায়। আনন্দেরই মাতন জাগে, আনন্দেরই মাতন জাগে, মুছে বেদন বঞ্চনায়। আইরে ছুটে আইরে তোরা, আইরে ছুটে আইরে আয়, আইরে ছুটে আইরে তোরা, আইরে ছুটে আইরে আয়। লক্ষ্মী এলেন মোদের ঘরে।
ওই সজল ধরার বুকটি ভরে, শস্য জাগে থরে থরে, সজল ধরার বুকটি ভরে, শস্য জাগে থরে থরে। মায়ের আতুল চরণ পুজি, মায়ের আতুল চরণ পুজি, ওই বিজলি আলোক রেখায়। দুঃখ গ্লানি গেল কেটে, তার সেবাতে চলল ছুটে। দুঃখ গ্লানি গেল কেটে, তার সেবাতে চল না ছুটে
ভুবনে ভরে স্বস্তি জাগুক, ভুবনে ভরে স্বস্তি জাগুক মোদের প্রেমের প্রার্থনায়। আইরে ছুটে আইরে তোরা, আইরে ছুটে আইরে আয়, আইরে ছুটে আইরে তোরা, আইরে ছুটে আইরে আয়। লক্ষ্মী এলেন মোদের ঘরে, এমন দিনে কেমন করে কাটা 16 জীবন রে, এমন দিনে কেমন করে কাটা 16 জীবন রে। দেখছে ওই বিশ্বমুখর, দেখছে ওই বিশ্বমুখর মায়ের নিত্য বন্দনায়।
আইরে ছুটে আইরে তোরা, আইরে ছুটে আইরে আয়, আইরে ছুটে আইরে তোরা, আইরে ছুটে আইরে আয়। লক্ষ্মী এলেন মোদের ঘরে, লক্ষ্মী এলেন মোদের ঘরে, তাকে বরণ করে নিবি রে আয়। আইরে ছুটে আইরে তোরা, আইরে ছুটে আইরে আয়, আইরে ছুটে আইরে তোরা, আইরে ছুটে আইরে আয়। লক্ষ্মী এলেন মোদের ঘরে।
Wow, beautifully sung. Thank you, Ma. We will now go to Australia, where Krishna Sahu Ma will be offering bhajan. This bhajan glorifies the simplicity of Sri Sri Thakur. She will be singing Jai Purushottamma Jag Ke Swami.
जय पुरुषोत्तम जग के स्वामी, जय दयाल जय अंतर्यामी। जय पुरुषोत्तम जग के स्वामी, जय दयाल जय अंतर्यामी। तुम ही ज्ञान विज्ञान तुम ही हो, द्रौपदी के सम्मान तुम ही हो। तुम ही ज्ञान विज्ञान तुम ही हो, द्रौपदी के सम्मान तुम ही हो। ऋषि मुनियों के परम धाम तुम, ऋषि मुनियों के परम धाम तुम। कपीश के भगवान राम तुम, कपीश के भगवान राम तुम। तुम ही हो हम सबके स्वामी, जय दयाल जय अंतर्यामी। जय पुरुषोत्तम जग के स्वामी, जय दयाल जय अंतर्यामी। शिव डमरू के ताल तुम ही हो, महाकाल विकराल तुम ही हो। शिव डमरू के ताल तुम ही हो, महाकाल विकराल तुम ही हो। बीज मंत्र तुम श्रेष्ठ बीज तुम, बीज मंत्र तुम श्रेष्ठ बीज तुम। ओंकार तुम जय अंतर्यामी। जय पुरुषोत्तम जग के स्वामी, जय दयाल जय अंतर्यामी। समय तुम्ही आकाश तुम्ही हो, निराकार साकार तुम्ही हो। समय तुम्ही आकाश तुम्ही हो, निराकार साकार तुम्ही हो। तुम्ही मृत्युंजय भी तुम्ही मृत्युंजय भी राम कृष्ण चैतन्य बुद्ध राम कृष्ण चैतन्य बुद्ध तुम ही शांति तुम ही संग्रामी। जय दयाल जय अंतर्यामी। जय पुरुषोत्तम जग के स्वामी, जय दयाल जय अंतर्यामी। जय पुरुषोत्तम जग के स्वामी, जय दयाल जय अंतर्यामी। जय दयाल जय अंतर्यामी। जय दयाल जय अंतर्यामी।
Shri Shri Thakur says, to adore the great with devotional service is the best to be great, because bliss is materialized through the devotion and worship. Another form of devotional unconditional service is done by a woman. Our first speaker is Rima Nagma from Australia. She will be talking on women's role in shaping up our society.
Jai Guru. My pranam to Param Prema Sisi Thakur, Param Aradhya Jagajani Sisi Burma, Param Pujapado Acharya Sisi Borda, Bartuman Acharya Sisi Dada, Pujapado Sisi Babaida, and to all members of Thakur family. On the occasion of holy 133rd birth anniversary of Sisi Thakur, and with the blessings of Param Pujapado Acharya Sisi Dada, we have all gathered here today for the Matru Sanmilan. I am deeply thankful and blessed that I could be a part of the celebration. I have been asked to present Sisi Thakur's view on the role of women in shaping the society. I will try my best to share my diminutive knowledge about the preaching of Sisi Thakur in my life through my petite understanding. However, please forgive me in case of any mistake. Sisi Thakur would often talk about shaping the society. He pronounced to run every household as an educative institution. In his words, have thy household turned into an educative institution for thy family in practical operation, handling the household affairs with tactful administration, adjusting each and every moment like a high school series. Sisi Thakur believed that society starts from home, and it is the woman who plays a pivotal role in creating such a household. He addressed the same through the life of Sri Burma as an ideal woman whose qualities surpass description by normal human being in shaping her home, family and surrounding. His illustration in Nari Niti are a reflection of Burma's loving nature and ideal womanhood. You might have heard many banis through which Sisi Thakur used to convey his messages. Eugeny is one of the most important areas on which Sisi Thakur has laid emphasis from point of view of having a better society, more evolved human being and a peaceful conjugal life. If you want to breed qualitative better person in the society, then it is important that proper matching between two people is done. Compatibility from the point of view of health, family, age, educational attainment, aptitude, and the hereditary family group, that is Varna. All this needs to be carefully seen before choosing partners. Women are the backbone of a progressive society. The work and function of women are greatly important for the family. A woman who is adult-centric and teaches, turns, and brings up their children on the right path, their role in the family and society becomes of paramount importance. In a world in which we are just beginning to see the glimmer of change in the professional status of women, Sissy Thakur has already seen the power in women ages ago. With the goal to empower women in all settings, Sissy Burma is a great source of inspiration for each of us. Sri Thakur Anukul Chandra has given the true meaning of Sanskrit word Nari as one who creates, nourishes, and inspires. Lakshmi, the goddess of prosperity, means Sri, beauty, and his word Sri has come from serving. Appropriately try wherever you can, as much as is practical, in any uncontentious way to do good to your family and neighbors with your words, behavior, sympathy, and help. Your reputation as a Lakshmi will be adorned with renown. Just see. Thakur could carry out the mission of his life, that is Satsanga movement, without any hindrance because of Sissy Burma's relentless support in the background. All her life, she would blindfoldedly carry out each word of her supreme love. Sissy Thakur once wrote to her, a wife who, considering her husband, God, considers service unto him as service unto God, suffers in the pain of her husband and elates in his happiness, such a woman who knows nothing else but her husband. I have much to learn from such a goddess. Sissy Burma would not take food unless all the Astramites would complete their food. Her affection and care for every devotee who would come to meet her was unimaginable. Once, Sissy Thakur told his devotees that Sissy Burma was not only the mother of his children, but she is a mother to everyone. She was a living example of tolerance. Sissy Thakur believed that women play a pivotal role in creating such an household, which runs as an educative institution, and the role of mother in nurturing the life of her child. As women, we have a great responsibility to nurture our future generation in an idol-centric way. The more we adhere to the ideologies of Sissy Thakur and implement them in our lives, the more we will be able to create a progressive society. Women take a lead in helping the family adjust to the new realities and challenges. They play an important role in facilitating changes in family life. It is the mother in the family who most often educates their children and becomes their role models. Sissy Thakur, in his Nari Niti, Women's Code, calls upon women fraternity as, "O my daughter, let your service, way of conducting yourself, thoughts and words induce such an impulse among men in general that they, regard fully kneeling before you with heads bent, become charmed, enlightened, satisfied, and gratified in calling you in a deeply reverential tone, my mother, my progenitress. Then only you are a daughter, then only are you a chaste woman." He believed women can lead the way for a better world where they live fulfilling lives. They can be very powerful only by conducting themselves and their words and thoughts in such a manner that they can win in the world. I want to share an experience from my mother whose words and thoughts enlightened and charmed us. This was possible for her dedication and belief on Sissy Thakur. When Pujaniya Borobodi once visited Satsanga Dibrugarh, my mother wished if she could request Pujaniya Borobodi to visit our house and inaugurate our newly constructed Thakurashan. Mother expressed her wish to my father. To this, my father's reaction was, "How can she think about such an idea, as the road to our house is narrow and has a big uncovered drain to cross?" My mother kept silent for some time and prayed to Sissy Thakur. Again, she tried to convince my father by saying, "If there is a will, there is a way, and at least we should try." At last, my father agreed and tried his best to fix the road in the best possible way, but he still was not convinced with the idea. My father quickly arranged to cover the drain with few pieces of wood. After the arrangements were done, he went to office as he had a meeting to attend. My mother, with her conviction earnestly requested Pujaniya Boro Bodhi to visit our house. Bodhi very lovingly said, I could have gone, but I already committed to meet few Guru Bhais, so I would ask Choto Borani Ma to visit your house. My mother was so overjoyed that tears rolled down her eyes. She quickly controlled her feeling and started making the arrangements within hours. My mother conveyed the message of Boro Bodhi to Choto Borani Ma. She at once agreed to accompany my mother on foot to our house. Choto Borani Ma visited our house and inaugurated the newly constructed Thakur Ashan by garlanding Sisi Thakur, Sisi Burma, Sisi Bodda, and offered flowers to Acharya Dev. It was like an utsav for all of us. In the meantime, my father could not go to the office and returned as there was a boycott of buses declared. Understanding, dedication, and belief can do the impossible, my father urged an adherence towards Sisi Thakur and Acharya Dev increased manifold. This is an example of my mother thoughts and words which created that impulse on my father and her children as well. From my childhood, I have been closely associated with Sisi Thakur, Dibrugarh Satsanga Mandir. Initially, I would feel happiness in collaborating and engaging with all Guru Bhais and sisters in Mandir. Almost every day was a festive moment. We would participate in many cultural activities. I believe cultural activity was the charm of collaboration in satsang. Gradually, as I grew older, I could feel the dedication and belief of Sisi Thakur from within. I think this has much to do with the dedication of my family, especially my mother. My daughter is hyperallergic to pollution. Often, she would have complication in her eyes due to the pollution in Bangalore, and we were advised by our doctor that we need to move out to a better location, preferably abroad, to save her eyes. It was a tough decision for us to choose the country. We both prayed to Sisi Thakur and took the risk. As the quote goes, where there is a will, there is a way. We chose Australia over other countries and decided to take the risk for our child. By the grace of benign Lord, we relocated to Australia. Initially, it was a bit of struggle, like everyone else. However, we gradually settled down. While my belief on Sisi Thakur was intact, I would adhere preaching of Sisi Thakur in my family. While dedication of my husband towards the love Lord has increased, this father influenced my daughter to read Thakur's book, learn songs of Sisi Thakur, and recite banis of Sisi Thakur. While everything was right in my family, but still at the bottom of my heart was a strange detachment. In the meantime, with the spread of pandemic, families were restricted to homes. People would become emotionally unhealthy, unable to go out, engage, collaborate. This was getting worse than ever. Suddenly, the idea of collaboration started with digitization. People started to engage, and so did satsangis. Fortunately, I came in touch with Shubhasda, and gradually our collaboration increased and shaped the day-to-day. It was an immense pleasure to be a part and contribute, engage with like-minded people who are all connected to the common thread of our love Lord, Sisi Thakur Anukul Chandra. Our ideologies shape the way we live and work, and it makes a difference in how we view ourselves and others. In fact, our values, what we consider right and wrong. This is how the society we live influence our choices. Our choices can influence others and ultimately help shape our society. We women need to be idol-centric, should follow the principles of eugeny to select husband, motivate husband and other family members to remain in the path of our love Lord, provide service and nurture to the immediate environment around us with deep tolerance and never-ending patience. As such, everyone find peace around us. Thus, a good progeny will be born. Then we need to implement the basic foundation of Sisi Thakur's principle in their life and help them to become ideal citizen. They will be the foundation of ideal society that Sisi Thakur dreamed of. I would like to end my speech with the Bani of Sisi Thakur. Worship of the great leads one to be greater and sonorous. Jai Guru.
Thank you so much, Reema Ma, for such beautiful expression of thoughts. Thank you. Shri Shri Thakur has said, as is the ideal in whom you place your faith, so will be your nature be formed and your vision too will be like that. So, when the ideal is awake, all faculties bloom and glow. We will now go to US where Chinu Ma, Lekha Ma, Rosalind Ma, Debula Ma, Janani Ma will be expressing their love to Thakur Ji through a beautiful bhajan.
जय गुरु।
जय गुरु।
मेरे ठाकुर जी परम दातार, हम सबके जीवन आधार। मेरे ठाकुर जी परम दातार, हम सबके जीवन आधार।
पतित पावन धन मेरे दीन बंधु सहारे, पतित पावन धन मेरे दीन बंधु सहारे, हम सबके जीवन करतार, हम सबके जीवन करतार।
मेरे ठाकुर जी परम दातार, हम सबके जीवन आधार। मेरे ठाकुर जी परम दातार, हम सबके जीवन आधार।
प्रभु थामो पतवार फंसी नैया मझधार, प्रभु थामो पतवार फंसी नैया मझधार, शरण तेरे करो धार, शरण तेरे करो धार।
पतित पावन धन मेरे दीन बंधु सहारे, पतित पावन धन मेरे दीन बंधु सहारे,
पतित पावन धन मेरे दीन बंधु सहारे, पतित पावन धन मेरे दीन बंधु सहारे।
हम सबके जीवन करतार, हम सबके जीवन करतार।
मेरे ठाकुर जी परम दातार, हम सबके जीवन आधार। मेरे ठाकुर जी परम दातार, हम सबके जीवन आधार।
धन यौवन मिट जाए के नामी सहाय, धन यौवन मिट जाए के नामी सहाय, परमनाथ सबके रखवार, परमनाथ सबके रखवार।
पतित पावन धन मेरे दीन बंधु सहारे, पतित पावन धन मेरे दीन बंधु सहारे,
पतित पावन धन मेरे दीन बंधु सहारे, पतित पावन धन मेरे दीन बंधु सहारे।
हम सबके जीवन करतार, हम सबके जीवन करतार।
मेरे ठाकुर जी परम दातार, हम सबके जीवन आधार। मेरे ठाकुर जी परम दातार, हम सबके जीवन आधार।
परम गुरु स्वामी मेरे अंतर्यामी, परम गुरु स्वामी मेरे अंतर्यामी, दयाल सबके पालनहार, दयाल सबके पालनहार।
पतित पावन धन मेरे दीन बंधु सहारे, पतित पावन धन मेरे दीन बंधु सहारे,
पतित पावन धन मेरे दीन बंधु सहारे, पतित पावन धन मेरे दीन बंधु सहारे।
हम सबके जीवन करतार, हम सबके जीवन करतार।
मेरे ठाकुर जी परम दातार, हम सबके जीवन आधार। मेरे ठाकुर जी परम दातार, हम सबके जीवन आधार। मेरे ठाकुर जी परम दातार, हम सबके जीवन आधार।
जय गुरु। जय गुरु।
Beautifully sung. Thank you, Ma. Now, I would like to request Kabita Ma, Kakoli Ma, Mukta Ma, Shampi Ma from Singapore to offer a bhajan. In this bhajan, devotees are asking to be taken from darkness to light. such a soulful bhajan. Now, let's go to Canada, where Swarnama, Lopama, Papyama will be offering the praise of Lord's name.
जय गुरु।
जय गुरु। जय गुरु।
सबसे सुंदर नाम ठाकुर जी, ठाकुर जी। ओ सबसे सुंदर नाम ठाकुर जी, ठाकुर जी। सबसे सुंदर नाम ठाकुर जी। महिमा मंडिता ज्योति विभासिता, महिमा मंडिता ज्योति विभासिता, मंगलादीनाम ठाकुर जी, ठाकुर जी। सबसे सुंदर नाम ठाकुर जी, सबसे सुंदर नाम ठाकुर जी।
प्रेम स्वरूपा त्रिभुवन भूपा अमलौज्ज्वाला चिरापरूपा। प्रेम स्वरूपा त्रिभुवन भूपा अमलौज्ज्वाला चिरापरूपा। जीवन कारण मन चित भावना, जीवन कारण मन चित भावना। ज्ञान गर्भित नाम, ज्ञान गर्भित नाम ठाकुर जी, ठाकुर जी। सबसे सुंदर नाम ठाकुर जी, ओ सबसे सुंदर नाम ठाकुर जी, ठाकुर जी। सबसे सुंदर नाम ठाकुर जी, सबसे सुंदर नाम ठाकुर जी। तनुपुत मंडित आनन शोभित, तनुपुत मंडित आनन शोभित, कमल नयनानित करुणांकित, मानस मोहन सर्वभय भंजन, मानस मोहन सर्वभय भंजन। चिर समद्रित नाम, चिर समद्रित नाम ठाकुर जी, ठाकुर जी। सबसे सुंदर नाम ठाकुर जी।
आनंदनुपम आश्रय पारम असीमानंत गुरु पुरुषोत्तम। आनंदनुपम आश्रय पारम असीमानंत गुरु पुरुषोत्तम। अलक निरंजन साधन कारण, अलक निरंजन साधन कारण। नित्य समीरान नाम, नित्य समीरान नाम ठाकुर जी, ठाकुर जी। सबसे सुंदर नाम ठाकुर जी।
ओ सबसे सुंदर नाम ठाकुर जी, ठाकुर जी। सबसे सुंदर नाम ठाकुर जी, सबसे सुंदर नाम ठाकुर जी। सबसे सुंदर नाम ठाकुर जी। जय गुरु।
Thank you, mothers. Shri Shri Thakur has said, every woman is another form of one's own mother. With this, I would like to request Malina Guchitma from UAE to speak on topic Mother, the epitome of love.
Jai Guru. In the lotus feet of Param Premamaya Sri Sri Thakur, Paramaradha Jagatjanani Sri Sri Bodoma, Param Pujyapada Sri Sri Bodda, Param Pujyapada Acharya Dev Sri Sri Dada, and entire Reverend Thakur Parivar, Koti Koti Pranam. Pranam and Shastradha Jai Guru to all my Dada and Ma. Today, thanks to the special grace of Sri Sri Thakur, I am fortunate and blessed to join this international virtual Utsav on Sri Sri Thakur's holy 133rd birth anniversary. In making a sound plan for human welfare, Sri Sri Thakur has placed the mother first and foremost in the seat of its glory. The reason for this is that Sri Sri Thakur says that mother's love is the main source of every man and woman. There is no seed in nature that have sprouted in spite of the lack of shelter and nutrition. So, women are just like earth, where upbringing and growth, etc., are the special features of women. An important principle in my personal life that my mother taught me. From the day of my wedding to the 9th day, that is, on the day of Ashtamangala, I came to my maternal home. My mother told me, "Ma, under no circumstances should you ever think that you are better than your husband and that you want to be better than him. Always keep one step behind him and let him be your leader. Then you will know how much happiness and joy is there in your life. No one will be superior or inferior in this. It is just an arrangement, and nothing is more important than this. But when we don't understand it and make it a prestige issue, we imagine that the husbands in the world want to oppress wives. Compromise is very important in life. Two minds in the world can never make the same decision about everything. So it has to be observed, and only the emphasis has to be on peace of mind. In this way, a worthy atmosphere is created in the heart of a woman to cultivate the beauty of motherhood. Before any incarnation of God is born on earth, the surrounding atmosphere is beautiful, holy. Clear water flows in the river, flowers bloom in the trees, peace and happiness prevail in everyone's mind. Absolutely smooth, calm, serene, holy atmosphere. And this is the significance of the descent of the incarnation of God. Then the divine child is manifested only when our hearts are pure, calm, and happy. Since as long as the mind is not pure, calm, and happy, the feeling of Vatsalya is not awakened in the heart. And if the feeling of Vatsalya does not wake up, the instinct of enjoyment in the heart does not come down. And the wife then finds a place in the heart of her husband as an object of enjoyment. The wife is never fit to be a mother as an object of consumption and as an object of enjoyment. So Sri Sri Thakur is rightly saying that Diksha nai kore biye, agun othe finik diye. Diksha nai kore biye, agun othe finik diye. Married man without initiation is none, but whose heart is like a desert fire in the summer. The person whose mind is devoted to the Lord, he becomes calm, happy, and pure, and his surrounding atmosphere becomes peaceful. So it is said that Yasya Brahmani Ramate Chittam, and then we don't have any complaint, and this is the beauty of life. Women are mocked in the society as an object of enjoyment when she presents herself as an object of enjoyment. The pious mother idol is never mocked. If we become an object of enjoyment in the society, and the society ridicules us, then we ourselves are responsible for it. Sri Sri Thakurji, in his divine message of Nariniti, wants to call the girl as real daughter and Sati, where he says, "Oh, my daughter, let your service, way of conduction yourself, thoughts and words induce such an impulse among men in general that they regard fully kneeling before you with heads bent, become charmed, enlightened, satisfied, and gratified. These days, it is always been seen that Miss India, Miss Universe, etc. contests are happening. In the same way, the competition of the best mother has started. What is the glory of a mother? Is it on her body or beauty? It appears that in the competition, this mother is very smart, does a good job, efficiently handles the children and the household, and that's why she is the number one. But in my view, my old mother, whose hair has turned grey, no teeth in her mouth, cannot even speak properly, cannot even get up and sit properly, there is nothing in her writing and studies. But my mother is a sacred mother idol to me. Even her imagination gives so much happiness, joy, and strength to my heart. In the world, this experience is not available from anything else. Therefore, the glory of a mother cannot be valued on gross physical beauty of a woman, educational quality, and over quantity. To awaken motherly love, neither needs to be a mother of a child, nor needs to be a woman. In his immortal instruction, Nariniti, the supremely loving Sri Sri Thakur has firstly called the women of the world as his daughter, Kanya Mary. Here, Sri Sri Thakur's motherly form, Vatsalya Prem, is so evident that just like the world's greatest holy mother idol is teaching her own daughter to walk around the world as one of the greatest holy mothers. According to our culture, a girl does not marry a boy only. A girl is married to a family. It is accounted for the woman stay with her husband and then his siblings, his parents, etc. In her in-laws' home, as her husband's wife, she has to play the role of three kinds of mothers. One, she becomes biologically the mother of her child. Second, she has to become a mother of her husband. And thirdly, she has to become a mother of her elders like father-in-law, mother-in-law, and even domesticated birds and plants in the yard will be nourished by her motherly touch. When all these three types of motherhood are perfect, then one experiences meaningfulness of femininity. After being born from the mother's womb, the infant experiences unanimity with the mother. The baby being absorbed by maternal milk does not have the power to experience itself apart from mother. It does not want to leave this sweet feeling of mother. The same kind of Vatsalya power resides within the mother. This is the first spark of divine love in the mother. From birth to 5 years, it is very important to keep physical proximity to the baby so that in that natural state, the child wanders in the heavenly garden and experiences heavenly bliss. Then there is a huge attraction in the secret power of this infant and mother. And that is the deep relation between the love of the child and the mother. The child slowly starts to know the greatness of his mother. The mother will not eat herself, but will feed the child. She will sacrifice her sleep and make the child sleep. She will pay more attention to the child than herself. And all these slowly come down in the child's heart. Through this Vatsalya, it is very important to bring the greatness of the mother's heart to the heart of the child, so that if there is any honorable sacred thing in the child, to the child in the world, then it is her or his own mother. Now see, we, the mother, have to decide whether to follow the role of an honorable mother or to become an object of enjoyment in the society. Then everything else will be of more importance than the child. A child is not a byproduct to us, just like we keep cows for milk and get dung, and we obtain its dung as a byproduct. In the same way, if marriage and enjoyment is primary to us, and keeping the child as byproduct is a great sin. When the child is between the age of 7 years to 13 years, a mother has to implement discipline, character, and positive aspects of life in our children. At the time, the right that takes place at the heart as a manifestation of that person's personality, and this responsibility rests only on the mother. An important statement of Sri Sri Thakur in this regard. আধো কথার সময় হতে করে করিয়ে যা শেখাবি সেটাই হবে মোক্ষম ছেলে হিসাবে চল নয় পস্তাবি। আধো কথার সময় হতে করে করিয়ে যা শেখাবি সেটাই হবে মোক্ষম ছেলে হিসেবে চল নয় পস্তাবি। This is the crucial time when it is very important to bring the child to the ideal form of the Guru, so that following Guru's discipline, that is, by taking initiation, he can grow and prosper. Mother Jijabai brought her son Shivaji Maharaj to Guru Ramdas Ji. Due to this important decision of mother, the nation got a great leader in the form of Shivaji Maharaj. The thing that one mother implemented in Shivaji Maharaj, which his father could not. The contribution of that one mother is 1,000 times greater than the collections of contributions of thousands of fathers. The third stage comes when the child is in between the age of 13 to 19 years. At this time, the physical, mental, and physiological changes begin in children, whether it is boy or girl, and they cannot understand those changes. At this time, as mother, we have to put something ideal in front of the children so that they have to do something in their life, get something, and have an ambition and some goals. The only medicine the mother has to give is the enthusiasm and encouragement to achieve something in life. The most important thing he or she should learn about compatible marriage rights, so that in this turning point of life, he or she can take the right decision in life. If we love our child, and that feeling should not become attached to the child. Regarding the love that we have to have for our child, if we start to feel good and bad towards the other family members, then this love becomes the cause of our bond. And due to the same attachment, we remain unhappy throughout our life. Its effects are there. We make our child a bonsai, like a big trees in a small pot, where a tree is 40 years old and has not risen even 4 inches. An example. A king's son was crying continuously. He was not being silent. The king got angry. After all, the prince is crying. So the minister said that the child is child. Why should we pass the time behind his childishness, Your Majesty? The king said, No, give him what he is asking for and bring the prince to the court. Then the king asked his son, What do you want, my son? The prince cried, I want a buffalo. The king ordered the servant to quickly bring a large buffalo. As the buffalo came, then again started crying. King now asked, "What do you want?" The prince said, "Bring grass to feed it." Then the grass was brought. The grass arrived, crying again, "Feed it with grass." The servants fed the grass and then again started crying. Now, crying that he started, "I want milk from the buffalo." Then the servant milked the buffalo. The buffalo gave the milk and then again started crying. The king said, "What do you want now, my son?" The prince said, "Put the milk inside the buffalo again." Is there any end to it? Unlike the king, we, the mother, must understand the realities of life. And likewise, our children will learn to understand the realities of life, learn to live independently. When our fundamental capital motherhood expands, then life is surrounded by the empire of peace and love. Sri Thakurji said that life is not a matter of fact, but life is a matter of love. As a husband in the family, a man always wants someone to take care of him. Someone must be there to love him. The home where the wife keeps her husband in the shadow of her motherhood, there the whole atmosphere is peaceful. One incident. A happy family with a husband, wife, and 2 children. The husband is very successful architecture engineer. Suddenly, the merciless Leela of God, the wife got cancer. And in the middle of 6 months, the wife left this world forever. On the other hand, the husband's life became blank. The husband said that whenever there is any good or bad work in my office, there will be some good success. I used to die to come home and tell my wife first. Now, whom shall I tell? By placing my head on someone's shoulder, the place where there was comfort, peace, and calm power, God has robbed me, taken away from me. Now I am orphaned. Therefore, it is a very big responsibility that the wife will take the place of motherhood of her husband and become the basis for them. Even God himself also needs this foundation. Our supreme caregiver, Sri Bodoma, played the role of motherhood over all the family members as well as all the people surrounding. The emptiness that arose from the life of Sri Thakur after the demise of Mother Manomohini Devi, Sri Bodoma fulfilled that emptiness with her maternal love. According to Sri Thakur, we have a special facility that we have elders in our house from whom we have originated. A person who does not have any elderly person in his life is the poorest, because we have control over us when there is an elderly person in front of us. And if not, then uncontrolled life is a licenseless life. Just like we take care of our children in the maternal way, we must take care of our mother-in-law, father-in-law, our parents, etc. With the love of Vatsalya, those people fall ill in old age with physical pain. They also feel great hunger. But as they are elders, they cannot scream and complain like children. There is a lot of reduction in the old age, such as seeing, hearing power is reduced. There is a lot of difficulty in moving. These deficiencies have to be fulfilled by the help of our motherhood. there is infinite power in the blessings of the elders, and that blessings will be awakened when we are engaged in their service with pure love. And such is the form of a mother, an epitome of love, according to Sri Sri Thakur. Mother, like her, there is no other. She stands for love and sacrifice, always putting herself last in the family, while showering others with unconditional love. Jai Guru.
Thank you for throwing light on such a vital topic. Sri Sri Thakur has said, a dharmic act is that doing by which the being and becoming of yourself and your environment are enhanced in a continuous expansion. Pondering, understanding, realizing, and knowing this, speak it out and act it out. With these words, I would like to request Seema Ma from Oman to please do Jai Radhe Radhe Dhwani, followed by Sagarika Ma.
সবাইকে আমার আনন্দিত জয়গুরু।
জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বল রে।
জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বল রে।
জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বল রে।
জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বল রে।
রাধে গোবিন্দ 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 গোবিন্দ
গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ
গোবিন্দ বলে সদা রাধ রে।
গোবিন্দ 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 বলে সদাই রাধ রে।
জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বল রে।
জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বল রে।
ছাড়ো রে মন কপট চাতুরি বদনে বলা হরি হরি।
ছাড়ো রে মন কপট চাতুরি বদনে বলো হরি হরি।
হরি নাম পরম ব্রহ্ম জীবের মূল ধর্ম। অধর্ম কুকর্ম ছাড়ো রে। জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বল রে।
জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বল রে।
ছাড়ো রে মন ভবের আশা অজপ নামে করো নিরেশা।
ছাড়ো রে মন ভবের আশা অজপ নামে করো নিরেশা।
রাধে গোবিন্দের নাম কি বদনে নয়ে।
গোবিন্দের নাম কি বদনে নয়ে।
নয়ন নিরেশদা ভাষণে।
রাধে গোবিন্দের নাম কি বদনে নয়ে। নয়ন নিরেশদা ভাষণে।
জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বল রে।
জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বল রে।
রাধে গোবিন্দ 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 গোবিন্দ
গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ
গোবিন্দ বলে সদা রাধ রে।
রাধে গোবিন্দ 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 বলে সদাই রাধ রে।
জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বল রে।
জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বল রে।
ছাড়ো রে মন हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल
हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल
हरि नाम परम ब्रह्म जीवित मूल धर्म अधर्म कुकर्म झार रे जय राधे राधे कृष्ण कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद मान रे
राधे राधे कृष्ण कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद मान रे
ছাড় রে মন ভাবের আশা ভজপনা মে করো রে নেশা রাধা বল 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 রাধা রাধে গোবিন্দের নামটি বাদনে লয়ে নয়ন নীর সদা ভাসরে জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বল রে রাধে গোবিন্দ 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 বলে সদায় ডাকরে জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বল রে জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বল রে জয় গুরু।
Let's now hear amazing Ahvan Dhwani by our mothers from Oman, Australia and Canada.
শ্রী ঠাকুরের আহ্বান ধ্বনি বন্দে পুরুষোত্তমম বন্দে পুরুষোত্তমম বন্দে পুরুষোত্তমম আর্য স্থান পিতৃস্থান উচ্চ সবার পূজ্যমান অমর রহুক আর্যবাদ জাগুক উঠুক আর্যজাত
আর্য কৃষ্টির যা ব্যাঘাত খড়গে তোরা কর নিপাত বাঁচা বাড়ার উল্টো চলে ম্লেচ্ছ জানিস তাদের বলে
এক আদেশে চলে যারা তাদের নিয়েই সমাজ গড়া ইষ্ট নাই নেতা যেই জমের দালাল কিন্তু সেই
সৎ ও শ্রেষ্ঠ আশ্রয় যার উন্নতি হয় অবাধ তার শঙ্খ চক্রে আজও নারায়ণ ধর্ম স্থাপনে জনম লন
সিদ্ধ নয় মন্ত্র দেয় মরে মারে করেই ক্ষয় অন্যে বাঁচায় নিজে থাকে ধর্ম বলে জানিস তাকে
ধর্মে সবাই বাঁচে বাড়ে সম্প্রদায়টা ধর্ম নারে পূর্বতনে মানে না যারা জানিস নিছক নেচ্ছ তারা
দশবিধ সংস্কার মনে রাখিস নিষ্ঠাসার যজন যাজন ইষ্টপ্রীতি করলে কাটে মহাপ্রীতি
স্বস্ত্যয়নী মুক্তি আনে রাষ্ট্রসহ প্রতিজনে কর্ম নাই চিন্তা সৎ পাথর পেছল নরকপথ
সদাচারে বাঁচে বাড়ে লক্ষ্মী বাঁধা তাঁর ঘরে ইষ্ট লাগি কর্ম করা সেই তো হলো পুণ্যে ভরা
মানুষ আপন টাকা পর যত পারিস মানুষ ধর মুখে জানে ব্যবহারে নাই সেই শিখার মুখের চাহিয়ে জয় গুরু
মাতৃভক্তি অটুট যত
সেই ছেলে হ্যায় কৃতি তত মেয়ে বরে বরণ করে সেই বেটি সমাজ বড়ে
প্রতিলোমে কুয়ের জনম রাষ্ট্র সমাজ জাতির জম স্বামীর প্রতি টান যেমনি ছেলেও জীবন পায় তেমনি
অভ্যাস ব্যবহার যেমন তর সন্তানও পাবি তেমন তর সদাচারের রত নয় পদে পদে তার ভয়
মাছ মাংস খাসনে আর পেঁয়াজ রসুন মাদক ছাড় সবার পূরণ করেন যিনি তারই মুখে বিধির বাণী সবার পূরণ করেন যিনি তারই মুখে বিধির বাণী সবার পূরণ করেন যিনি তারই মুখে বিধির বাণী জয় গুরু
वन्दे पुरुषोत्तमं वन्दे पुरुषोत्तमं वन्दे पुरुषोत्तमं परम प्रेममय श्री श्री ठाकुर अनुकूल चंद्र जी की
जय।
परम प्रेममय श्री श्री ठाकुर अनुकूल चंद्र जी की
जय।
परम प्रेममय श्री श्री ठाकुर अनुकूल चंद्र जी की
जय।
परमराध्या जगज्जननी श्री श्री बड़मा की
जय।
परमराध्या जगज्जननी श्री श्री बड़मा की
जय।
परमराध्या जगज्जननी श्री श्री बड़मा की
जय।
परम पूज्यपाद श्री श्री बड़दा की
जय।
परम पूज्यपाद श्री श्री बड़दा
जय।
की परम पूज्यपाद श्री श्री बड़दा की
जय।
परम पूज्यपाद आचार्य देव श्री श्री दादा की
जय।
परम पूज्यपाद आचार्य देव श्री श्री दादा की
जय।
परम पूज्यपाद आचार्य देव श्री श्री दादा की
जय।
सत्संग की सत्संग की सत्संग की वन्दे पुरुषोत्तमं वन्दे आर्य पितृं वन्दे मातृवर्गन् वन्दे अहङ्कृष्टिदैवतं वन्दे पुरुषोत्तमं वन्दे पुरुषोत्तमं परम प्रेममय श्री श्री ठाकुर अनुकूल चंद्र जी की जय।